LiveYards provides flexible options for managing your notifications and business hours, helping you stay in control of your workflow. Need a break from notifications? Simply toggle the mute button to pause alerts for 30 minutes, an hour, or longer. This feature is perfect for when you need to step away for lunch, take a break, or end your workday. In addition to managing notifications, you can also customize your business hours. Within the settings, set your business hours to determine when you want to receive requests and notifications. This ensures that you only get alerts during your operating hours, helping you maintain a work-life balance. Outside of these hours, any new requests or messages will be held until your next business day, so you won't miss anything important. Together, LiveYards works around your schedule, not the other way around.